Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fit and fine. This video is specially for cookery students. Today I'm gonna highlight 5 main points which assessor nowadays keep asking to each and every student. These 5 informations we will discuss, so just keep watching this video till the end. What happened is many of assessors keep checking the student is real or fake. That's the first thing. Second thing, the assessors keep checking, does the student has enough information or he knows what he's doing or what his job responsibilities are. And the third, mainly they verify with your supervisor that are you working in this profession for how many times, and are you handling all the tasks and responsibilities in this kitchen. And apart from this, the fourth one is the assessor is also asking not about the cuisine which you are doing it, they are asking you out of the cuisine. The reason is they want to make sure that if you are working on the different cuisines, then you must be familiar with all the different types of food. But if you are only limited to the one cuisine, they don't want you to be limited to particular one cuisine. Let's say if you're working in Indian restaurant, you don't know about the Asian, you don't know about Mexican, you don't know about Western food, Greek food. They want you to know other foods or other cuisines as well. Especially recently question have been asked, what are the 5 mother sauces, what is different salads, what are the different desserts, which knife do you use for different desserts, and have you tried any different cuisines? If you have tried, yes, then which cuisine did you try, and what did you eat it, what ingredient did you have it in that, and how to make it. Do you know that what equipment is you are using for different tasks? Especially the small equipment names they are asking. So this is a general awareness to each and everyone those are working in this industry. So make sure that you have to be very confident about this, and you should know the basic informations. Because if you say no, I work only Indian restaurants, I only work in tandoor section, I only work on entree or fryer, I only work on pan, it is not enough. Keep that in mind. They are asking like, okay, let's talk about the Mexican cuisine, let's about the Western cuisine, let's about the 5 mother sauces, let's talk about the soups, let's talk about the different sauce which we use for canapes. These are the questions being asked every test. So why I'm wearing this? Because almost the recent, which on the last month I have taken sessions, majority of the students got these questions asked by the assessors. So make sure watch all the videos, prepare yourself. If you have not subscribed Chef Somjit Singh channel, I would highly suggest you subscribe it, make your notes from there, and if any question, write a comment there. If still any further help needed, you need any PDF, you need any question and answers, feel free to get in touch with me. I will happy to assist you. Till then, take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.